Ito ang pinabilis at upgraded na Canon F789 SGA, the second edition. Guys, gaya na napanood niyo sa previous video, max cell yung battery at mas pinalaki na po siya. Wala na din po lang siyang solar kasi mas lifelong na po itong battery at mabilis na po siyang buksan para mabilis palitan. Now, try natin siyang gamitin to solve the roots of a cubic equation. So, ang maganda sa given natin, naka-arrange na from highest to lowest yung exponent natin. Paano siya gagamitin using the version 2 of Canon F789 SGA? So, yan. So, para mas focus, ilapit ko siya sa inyo. As you notice, meron tayong mode dito. So, set up. Since that is equation, so find the equation which is 5, nandyan. Then, hindi naman yan 2 variable or 3 variable or 3 unknown. Equation lang siya and that is a cubic equation. So, arrow down, then press 2 for the cubic. Now, ang A, B, C, D natin, ang A is 1. Press mo lang 1. B natin is 2, so press 2. C natin is negative 13, so minus 13. Ang D natin is 10. Yan. So, review natin. 1, 2, negative 13, and 10. Then, press equal sign. 2. Second value is 1 and negative 5. So, there are 3 roots. 2, 1, and negative 5. That will make the equation equal to 0. Pag substitute natin, yan. Check na natin. 2, 1, and negative 5. Now, so, pag si 2, so this is, when x is 2, 2 cube is 8 plus 2 squared times 2, 8 minus 13 times 2, this is 26 plus 10 is equal to, so solve natin to, 8 plus 8 plus 10, 26 minus 26 is 0. Tama. X, when x is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 times 2 is 2 minus 13 times 1 is 13 plus 10. So, simplify. 10 plus 3 minus 13 is 0. So, when x is negative 5, negative 5 cube is negative 125 plus negative 5 square is 25 times 2, 50 minus 13 times negative 5, so this will become positive 5, so 13 times 5, 15, carry 1, 65 plus copy 10. So add natin 50 plus 65, 115 plus 10, negative, positive 125 minus 125 is 0. So ayun. So tama po yung sagot natin for x, 2, 1, and negative 5. So if you want to purchase this calculator, check out ka na. Yes, 11/11 naka-sale po tayo, November 11 sale dito po sa ating Yellow Basket.